This is how you disable this stupid buzzer ringer on a Frigidaire Gallery Microwave oven. Right here, you hit user panel, right? User panel. 1 times, 2 times, 3 times, and it's the volume. And it'll say on, low, high, medium, high. Once the on button comes, you hit the start button, and that will shut it off. And that's how you do it. It's very simple. Otherwise, you don't have to go in there and pull the control panel out and cut out the buzzer. It's done through the user preference. Hit it 3 times, and when you see on come up, you hit the start button, start enter, and it'll turn it off. That's all you need to do.